This is a series of Python financial data analysis, and this is the first video of this series. And in this video, I'm going to show you about how to install Python packages, necessary Python packages on your computer, and how to read a CSV file with a simple Python script. I'm not going to talk about how to install Python on your computer. It's not that hard. You can install the installer from the Python official site and just execute it. So if you have questions about how to install Python on your computer, please let me know in the comment. After installing Python on your computer, you need Python packages to handle financial data. You cannot handle big data like financial data on the Python itself. Python packages are additional tools of Python. There are tons of tools of Python, but we need just 3 packages. And the first one is called NumPy. NumPy is a tool to apply mathematical operations on financial data. We can install it with the command pip install and type NumPy. And nothing happens on my computer because it's already installed. And the second one is called Pandas. Pandas is a Python package to handle complicated data structure like CSV table. We can install it with the same command pip install pandas. And nothing happens on my computer. And finally, we need matplotlib. This is a bunch of tools of Python to make figures of graphs. Okay. After installing the necessary packages, NumPy, matplotlib, and pandas, we can use them in our Python script. And this is an example code of reading a CSV file. We first need to import the packages. We can't use them unless we import them into our code. We import NumPy and we assign an alias to NumPy because we don't want to type NumPy every time we use it. And matplotlib is a bunch of tools, so we use just one tool named pyplot and we assign an alias or plt, and pandas as pd. As I said earlier, NumPy is a tool for math operations, and matplotlib for making figures of graphs. And pandas is necessary to handle table like data, or Excel. And after importing the packages, we can write our code. The first line is the file name. The file name is meta.csv. And I'll upload the file on my Google Drive. You can download it from the URL below. And we read the file. We have to read the file, but the function to read the CSV file is called read CSV. And this is one of the tools of pandas. So we can access it with this dot. And we give the file name to the function, and the contents of the table of the CSV file is saved, the variable meta, and we can print the contents of meta with the print function. And I think I didn't mention about how to make the Python script. It's not hard. We can make a text document and change the file name whatever you like, and the extension is gonna be .py, and hit yes, and we can make our Python script. My script has a name read CSV, so it's located here. And after making the script and writing the code, we can execute it from the command line like this. Windows command line is the same as Mac. We can launch the command line by typing cmd at the top, and we can open our command prompt. If we wanna run the Python script, we use the command Python and enter our file name. My file name is read CSV and specify the extension .py. Okay, and it worked without any issues. You can see that the file content is displayed with a print function. There are over 5,000 companies. There are a lot of columns. This is a table, and you can open this file with Excel, and the contents look like this. There are several columns: ticker, company name, sector, industry, market cap, or the size of company, exchange, New York Stock Exchange or Nasdaq Stock Exchange, or the country that company is located. And the contents can be seen from this command line. We can see that the contents of CSV file was successfully read by our Python script. And in the next video, I'm going to show you about how to access the contents of a table, not just displaying them. If you have any question, please let me know on the comment.